Hello, my name is Paul Jandro. I am the math professor here at Texas State Technical College Marshall, and this semester I will be teaching an online math course. That math course is College Algebra, Math 1332. In this course, I will be teaching you how to solve quadratic equations. To this end, we will be learning the quadratic formula, factoring, and the square root method for solving them. For third, fourth, and fifth degree polynomial functions or equations, we will be using synthetic division and a graphing calculator to teach you how to solve those. We will also solve exponential and logarithmic functions or equations. We'll be working with those as well. And we will also solve systems of equations for second and third order with matrices. So we should have a very good semester. Okay, to that end, so let me introduce you to myself, tell you a little more about myself. I was originally a systems engineer for Rockwell International in the 80s. In the 90s, situations changed and I ended up getting into teaching. I've taught several years in California, a couple years in Kansas, and the rest has been here in Texas. Let's see. I enjoy teaching very much, a lot more than I figured I would when I got into it, but one of those things that just find you joy later. And as I said earlier, I'd like you to walk into my class. That said, I'm here for you guys. I'm here to help you. I realize that you will come in with different math abilities, and you will need different levels of help. So please remember, there is no such thing as a foolish question, except one that doesn't get asked. I'm here to help you. Please avail yourself of the opportunity. Contact me. My contact information will be provided later. I hope we'll have a great semester. I hope to see you soon. And I hope you enjoy this class and learn quite a bit from it. Remember, contact me if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.